Motor vehicle enthusiasts, owners, everyone, welcome to the Motor Assured Motor Vehicle Owners and Maintenance Podcast. Today we're going to introduce you to a very unique product available in Jamaica and the Caribbean for the very first time. Hi, I'm Onel Williams and I'm the Vice President of Special Projects and Marketing at Motor Assured. Today with me is my co-host, Mr.
Xavier Allen, President and CEO of Moto Assured Limited.
So Xavier, please explain to us what is all the hype about Motor Assured? What's so important about this Motor Assured feature?
Moto Assured is the Caribbean's first and only digital extended warranty provider. Like you, we understand the value of your motor vehicle and what it means to you when the motor vehicle is not performing optimally. So we've devised products that will help you to get your car repaired and back on the road within a matter of days. And we cover the cost of repairs 100%. And we'll talk about that.
So Xavier, give me an idea as to when was Motor Assured started.
Onel, as you are well aware, but let's talk to the viewers. Moto Assured started as a concept probably around 2018, 2019. But in the heights of the pandemic, a group of us, maybe about 6 persons, we conceptualized the product, and we figured that we needed to make it very digital, not only because of what was happening because of the pandemic, but because we wanted to add value and pass on savings to the customers. We didn't want to come out the ground with a traditional business model that wouldn't allow for the product to be cost effective and you'd get a lot of value. So we created a digital product that allows us to pass on most of the savings back to the customers. So you get lots of value at minimal cost.
So you hear that, guys? You're getting maximum value from this program, right? So Xavier, give me an idea. Where have you guys been featured?
Since we've launched in about December of 2022, where we spent the better part of 2 years prior to then getting our product nice and ready.
Okay,
We've been featured on CVM at Sunrise. We've been featured on the Business Review. So that's Television Jamaica, CVM, The Observer, and we've also had an article in the Gleaner as well. So we've pretty much done a lot of the traditional media houses.
So Xavier, having been featured in all these programs nationally, that means this is a serious thing, man. So you know what I would like to know? I'd like to be able to, for you, could possibly explain to the people what is the difference between insurance and assurance now.
Firstly, an insurance it comes in when there is some peril attached to an event. So for example, if you're driving down the road and meeting an accident, then that's where the insurance comes in. Now, an extended warranty treats with the just general breakdown of parts, the major wear and tear parts, your engine, your transmission, your things like your cooling, your heating, your differentials, many things. But you can check out our website at www.motoassuredwi.com or download our app from either the Google or the iOS stores, and then you can get more details around that. But by and large, the major things that keep your car up and running, those are the things that we cover. That is not covered on insurance. So in our business, you don't have to be driving down the road and having a near-death experience. Someone have to run in the back of your car or in the front of your car to damage something to have it fixed. We are saying our product is, if you're driving on the street and you hear a sound in your car, if it sounds like it's not something that is supposed to be there, get it checked out by a mechanic. Come to us and we'll pay for it 100%, parts and labor. So that's the main difference. We're not insurance. We're not in the same space any at all. But we're a complementary business because we add value that you could use every day and any day, irrespective of what happens. If you're just driving on the street and something happens, we are that person. We are that company.
So Xavier, you're saying to me right now, if I'm driving my car and anything that has to do with my engine, my transmission, my differential, seal and gasket, help me out. What else you're saying? Cooling system, what else is there that I'm protected with?
That's correct, Onel. If you're driving on the street and suddenly your car stops and you realize that your radiator is out of fluid, and you're realizing your car is overheating, and it turns out that you have a radiator issue, an engine issue. Yes, we cover that. That's where we come in. That's the big difference between us and insurance. You have to be driving down the street. Your car is either stolen, some act of God, or an act of somebody running into your car before the insurance kicks in. We are that person that it doesn't matter. Something breaks that is covered under our subscription, we will pay for it. We'll pay for it. Um, we'll pay for both parts and labor, and we'll pay your mechanic within 5 business days.
That's impressive. That's really impressive. So Xavier, I've heard you mention about all the features you have offered, and it's really impressive. But I'm kind of concerned. Isn't something like that like requiring a lot of paperwork? Or I mean, how can someone access all these benefits easily? I heard you mention something about your website. You care to inform us how we can sign up for this? How do I sign up for this package?
That's a very good question, Onel. And remember, we've designed a very intuitive, user-friendly process that you can pick up either from the website, and we'll shift to the screen and you'll see it. It'll pop up right about now on the back of our computer. You'll see it right there, our website, www.motoassuredwi.com. Or you could, if you're like some of us, we would prefer to use the application that's on your phone. You could either visit the Google Store or the iOS Store, and you could search for Moto Assured Warranty. It will pop up, and you could download, and you could sign up from there. In the process, it's a very intuitive process. You key in the vehicle information, the vehicle details. It will spit out a quote back at you and tell you exactly what you're likely to pay per month, per quarter, per year. You get 3 options there, and within that option, you can go ahead and complete the sign-up process, which requires you to upload a active or up-to-date road license and up-to-date fitness, and from there you can go ahead into paying. Once after payment, you're a subscriber, and then if anything happens to you, Moto Assured have you covered.
Yes, well, Xavier, I'm very impressed, to be honest with you. So you're saying to me, for us to access all these benefits, it's as simple as going online or through our app and just putting in my vehicle. Okay, for example, I have a 20-year-old vehicle. You're saying I can just go online and punch in, what is it now, 2003 Honda Civic, upload my documents, see what I like and pay, and get a value or protection quote, so to speak, right away. That's what you're saying to us?
Instantly.
That is very impressive. That is very impressive. So there you have it, guys. It's that easy. I even tried it. Just log on to motoassuredwi.com, or you can go through the App Store, either through Google Play or Apple iOS. And it's very easy. It's very intuitive, as a matter of fact. All I did was go in there, input my vehicle documents. I went ahead and even put in my vehicle make and model, and I was able to get an instant quote like that. You see, this takes less than 5 minutes. So where else could you go and get that kind of service in less than 5 minutes? This is really a game changer. This is intended a game changer.
Don't be like Cindy. Don't spend thousands on unexpected repairs. Instead, get a Moto Assured Vehicle Extended Warranty that covers all major breakdowns. With our extended warranty, we cover 100% parts and labor. You can choose your own mechanic and get a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired. This is the win warranty you've always dreamt about. Your dreams have come through. Subscribe today at www.motoassuredwi.com or download our app in the Google and iOS app stores and start driving with confidence.
Viewers, you thought we were done, but we have more value. We have a specially invited guest with us. With me on set is our partners from Covenant Insurance Brokers, Miss Lois Spence. She is the Director for Business Development and Marketing.
Thank you for having me on the Moto Assured podcast. It is a pleasure to join you today, and I'm happy to have joined this partnership.
Moto Assured is also happy to have partnered with Covenant Insurance Brokers. You know that personally, I do all my business through Covenant Insurance. So it was a natural partnership, and we appreciate the partnership. And we know that our mutual customers will benefit from the products that Moto Assured has to offer. Well, just to let you guys know, Covenant has been a partner even before we launched to the public. We've had, because of our relationship with Covenant, we spoke about the benefits of an extended warranty. Covenant saw the value in it and what it could do for the customers. And we're here now today to talk about that and tell the world about the benefits of that and the partnership between Moto Assured and Covenant. So, Lois, let's talk about that a little bit. How has Covenant seen and viewed the products that are offered by Moto Assured?
All right. So Covenant Insurance Brokers has been around for 30 years. We're a full service brokerage house. And considering that our portfolio is about 60% of motor business, which means we provide insurance for motorists. We saw it fit that we could partner with Moto Assured, where insurance falls off, as Xavier had explained earlier, then Moto extended warranty can pick up. So insurance doesn't cover wear and tear on vehicles. It only covers acts of God and perils. And with having extended warranty, our customers ask from time to time, suppose the car breaks down. Suppose it is that, you have where I've had clients where rats run under their car and actually destroy the wires and they have to need a whole new computer and all of that. That is not covered because that is not a peril. That can be covered under Motor Extended Warranty, which is provided by Motor Assured. And so we saw fit that, an additional benefit, the customers could avail themselves of it. And we thought that this partnership would be good to explain to our customers.
Lloyd, you guys cover public passenger, private vehicle, private usage, commercial usage, rent-a-car usage. What has been the feedback from the customers in those different spaces? Very similar in kind, but they use the vehicles for different purposes. What's their feedback so far in terms of extended warranty?
Well, the customers are extremely interested in this product. It doesn't matter whether it's a private car or it's a commercial vehicle, as you said, whether it's a taxi or a rental. Most persons suffer from some of the things that you are going to help them, the problems, to solve those problems. And since we have reached out in the marketing space where we added you to our list when we're sending out our renewal notices, we've had at least between 50 and 100 customers query coming in each month, interested in this product.
That's huge because it shows that there's a lot of interest in this space. And definitely. And this is why we're having this podcast, to actually get persons to be more familiar with what extended warranty is and how it complements the vehicle ownership space, from either how it adds to your insurance, how it helps to protect the value of the car, because a well-maintained car will maintain its value a lot better than a car that's poorly maintained. And then also it helps the insurer, because if the insurer is insuring a vehicle that is properly kept, then they know that they're having some car of some kind of value. And if you are a financier, so if you're a bank or a credit union, if the person owes you and the car is not properly maintained, then that value that you're holding on is really almost nothing. So everybody benefits in it, not just the consumer themselves, but everybody within the ecosystem.
Guys, we have 9 branches and we opened our 9th branch this year, March. And as soon as we sent out this information about Moto Assured, in our Montego Bay branch, which was the newest branch, a gentleman appeared with the question. I saw this message about Moto Assured and extended warranty, and he was extremely interested in finding out that information. So the message is out there in all of our 9 branches.
Covenant gives you that over-the-counter interface for those persons who are a little bit shy or not so au fait with tech and would like the support. Covenant Insurance at their 9 locations can provide that kind of support. They'll help you to get onto the platform, support you in registering and signing up, all the way through when you do your self-serve payment, and help you to manage your dashboard in the application. And from there, it's self-serve. Lloyd, since this has been blasted, it seems like we've just woken up the drivers in Jamaica. But based on the data that you've been seeing, what sort of driver are you seeing? Do you have a particular driver specific demographic? Is it a male driver, a female driver? What part of Jamaica are you seeing most of the interest coming from?
Well, if I were to use my research this morning, it would be companies for commercial vehicles and also individual females for private cars. They're very interested. I mean, a female is on the road all the time owning a car, and if the car breaks down, we don't know what to do. So, we're happy to have partnered with you to be able to provide this for the customers, and they're extremely excited.
Well, thanks, Lois. Thanks for all that information. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate that. We can't thank you enough for this partnership, for giving us the opportunity to reach customers through your 9 branches. But how do customers get in touch with you? I know you have 9 branches, but how they can reach you if they want to sign up now? Not just for Moto Assure, but other products that you offer.
You can call us on 876-630-1390 Anyone in our office will be able to answer your query, or you can call me personally at 876-999-1505 for any queries, including insurance queries. Thank you.
Integrity, high value. Introducing Moto Assured, the #1 vehicle extended warranty program in Jamaica. For the first time, you can now protect yourself against costly repair and unexpected costs. Preserve the resale value of your motor vehicle today. For more information, download the Moto Assured app on Google Play Store and iOS stores. Visit our website at www.motoassuredwi.com. WhatsApp at 876-873-0794. Check our social media pages at Moto Assured. Moto Assured, the #1 vehicle extended warranty provider.
Oh, my co-host is now back. Welcome back, Mr. Williams. Good to see you.
So there you have it, guys. Just want to give thanks again to Miss Lois Spence from Covenant Insurance Brokers, who was able to articulate to you guys about the importance or the necessity of having a program like Moto Assured with our insurance package, right? So basically, in summation, guys, I want to remind you, it's an easy sign-up process. You can find us on motoassuredwi.com. You can find us in the Google Play Store, the iOS Play Store. Remember, guys, for that extra sense of confidence, Moto Assured is always the program for you. So, right, you can always use your own mechanic, first of all. We cover 100% of parts and labor. So this is something to consider when you're taking out your next purchase, or even your current vehicle you have right now. A lot of you guys are running on borrowed time. But anyway, that's another discussion for another podcast series, right? You can also find us on all your popular social media channels, right? So you have your YouTube, your TikTok, your Instagram, on Facebook, and even though you can find us on LinkedIn, right? So that is Moto Assured. And remember, our website is motoassuredwi.com. Until next time, guys, I am Onel Williams, and
I am Xavier Allen, and you've just watched the Moto Assured Vehicle Ownership and Maintenance Podcast.